change nothing. Bonjour, yeah, me like her. Girl, you sexy shape like a guitar. Me love you.
Make sure you're ready for this. I'm going to tell you 10.
Well, going up on this, most of the videos is going to be on dancehall artist Spice. Alright, so Spice posted a video on her Instagram with her son and 3 fake police. Because from the seat, I said, this look like a video clip. Cause, you know, me say it look like a Rasta video. It just come off as that to me.
The speed limit, I wasn't even driving fast.
It's actually dangerous.
You don't understand what you're talking about. Hello, what should I do? Hello, lady, hello. Hold on. Ease for please. Hold on. What you do?
But anyway, Spice over look at controversial stuff. Tomorrow is our birthday as well as our album 10 release. I don't know how Spice thing set up, but I think she should have choose to do a different thing because I don't know how the police thing set up or fine. And then the top celebrity them did run in on our page and like, yo, everything good. And then Dovey make a post and people have said it have to do with Spice, and this is what Dovey have to say.
I'm entitled to my own opinion without people thinking that I'm fucking with somebody or I'm troubling somebody, because I don't need to trouble anyone. And if you guys know DOVEY Magnum or know the way I pattern my thing, if I have a problem with someone, it don't matter who it is, whether a public figure, whether a regular random fake page, fake person, or an artist, whatever, I say what I have to say and I get it out the way. I don't walk and pick on people. I don't walk pick trouble. I don't do all of that. So I do not want motherfuckers to see me posting my stuff or make a post and then coming underneath there being negative, tagging this artist, tagging this person, talking about I'm troubling them from not, because I don't need to trouble anyone and I don't trouble nobody. I want to feel for understand that them trouble me a lot of time under Sykes, but because I'm the loud one, I always become the bad guy, which is okay. But for the record, I am just basically saying, do not come underneath my page with stuff, or if I do tweet or post about something and call people name or try to start any animosity, because I don't wish any bad for none that I'm, when I basically did have a riffraff with within the past or whatever, and I really want you guys to know this, okay? I don't have no bad blood inside of me. I don't have no bad feelings towards anyone. I wish them all the best all the time. It don't matter, even if me and them are a friend or me and them no click, I always say, yeah, that nice for that person there, congrats, here, this, all of that. Because at the end of the day, I am a female just like there are females, and also a mother just like some are a mother. And people will do catch up into things, because remember at the end of the day is how the universe and how things set up. That don't mean say because you catch up with a person or something happened, you sit down there and forever hate that person. I am not a hateful person. I'm not. So I don't sit down and harbor hate inside of me towards no one. Even boy when me a fuck and stop fucking me and them war. You understand? Me no spread the hate. I say what me have to say, I address it and I go. You understand what I'm saying? And I eat that, like, you guys need to stop it, man. If me say, why? I feel like I want to go take up the green grass there. And if somebody sings something about green grass or did have on something green, or say anything at all with greenish or grasses, whatever, other person, they don't feel trouble, you know, other this there, other that. No. The fuck? I'm entitled to speak and do whatever I want. Because when me a trouble nobody, I call name. Like, come on, I'm not have time for trouble nobody. And another issue again. I see a lot of people coming underneath my shit and come talk about, oh, I must go worry about my papers and worry about this and that. Come suck me. Y'all know nothing about me. Y'all not even know what happened. The real story, the truth about what happened. And we will never know what happened because I never tell you no either. So when time when I run up and I need me thing, I come tell me go worry about this, worry about papers and all of that. Papers not stop me from doing me I do. Papers not stop me from telling you something mother. Eh? Papers not stop me from do what me supposed to do. Papers not stop me from live. And most of what time if I go worry about papers do if you come on a plane or foreign. or even know a street, a road, or an ear code. You don't know nothing about America? Eh? We not say all Americans are dead for hungry in their own country. Americans are dead for hungry in their own country. Americans homeless. And they are Americans. And this is their country. And I'm me you know about. Me will have ambition. And I push through. Being the handicap. Come on, man. I'm a boss. I'm a goat. Yeah. I'm a fucking goat. Put some respect on my name. I don't even want no flowers, because flowers are for dead people. No one never bring no flowers, come give me. Put some respect on my name. I remember that I write it down on the history brain. You hear that? Y'all don't know nothing about this. Nothing about even to survive in our country where it's not yours. And you never make no choice. You didn't have a choice sometimes. A lot of people there from Jamaica and Caribbean country and foreign countries will come here from them and picnic. I don't know nothing. What did I happen for what happen? Enough people come in? Yeah. Enough people come here upon all different name and can't get no papers. Hello? Because when you come upon different name in America, it's hard for you to get started out, even if you got blood clot married. You could have married the richest citizen. A problem I got there if you get through. Some of us sit down, we don't even know nothing at all. We don't know the half of nothing. Y'all can suck my dick. But on a bill. Leave me the fuck alone. Because I'm outside. And God's richest blessings is flowing on me. He's cleansing my surrounding. He's purging me and everything around me.
Me and my parents.
He might purge the ear. The path. The next step in my prepare. Oh no, relax. Relax.
Yes.
You understand? Relax. I'm not worried about the least. You know the greatest part you know about me? Hey, you know what sweet me? When I see a lot of people talking the most shit about me, don't even know me and didn't even walk a step in her shoes. When me walk, and they have the most to say, the worst to say, in every form of way.